Hey friends, let's try dragonfly, also known as grasshopper. Let's start from a seat for the first option. Right ankle on top of the left knee. Inhale, reach your right arm up, take it across the body and work the twist. Stay here. We need to get the foot above the elbow. If that's accessible, plant your hands shoulder width apart. Lean forward and lift your hips off the ground. See if you can pick up the left leg and extend it out to the side. We'll also want to try the second side. You might find one side easier than the other. Feel free to stay in the seat and focus on flexing your left foot this time, sitting up tall, lifting up out of your low back, and working the twist. If you can get your foot above your elbow, we'll try to lift the hips, bend the elbows, lean forward, and extend the right leg out. We can also approach this posture from standing. You might find one easier than the other. Starting in funky chair, right ankle on top of the left knee. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, twist, taking your right elbow across the body. Again, we need to get the foot above the elbow to move towards the arm balance. I've set up the block shoulder width apart to make it a little bit more accessible and to bring the floor up to me. You can also try it without blocks, and of course, we want to try the second side. It takes a lot of practice, and we want to focus on the hip opener and the twist, and the arm balance will come. If you like the video, hit the like, share the love. Namaste.